सर पहला जो क्वेश्चन आया है वो ये आया है, हेलो सर, आई वुड लाइक टू परस्यू एलएलबी अलोंग विद माय जॉब इन चंडीगढ़. What would be the best option for me and which university would you recommend? Sir, next question है, after qualifying, what would you suggest as next step for someone who is not getting enough satisfaction? Earlier, my main focus was clearing the exam, so I was always occupied with studies and training, but now I feel a bit directionless regarding long-term career growth. Apart from CA, what option or career path would you recommend exploring? जी सर, पहले वो हम ना उसमें जाते थे सर, मुशायरे में जाते थे ना, तो लाइक आई बिलोंग टू आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स फील्ड से मेरा लेना देना ज्यादा रहा है. तो उसमें कहते थे भी जहां ना पहुंचे रवि वहां पहुंचे कवि. मतलब जहां सूरज की रोशनी भी नहीं पहुंचती वहां पे पहुंचते ही है जो पोइट है उसके थॉट्स पहुंचते हैं. फिर सर उसके आगे कहते हैं कि जहां ना पहुंचे कवि वहां पहुंचे अनुभवी. जहां पे कवि के थॉट्स भी नहीं पहुंचते ना वहां पे एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन पहुंच जाता है. तो वही चीज सर, इसीलिए हमने आज आपसे ये सेशन रखा है. तो सर पहला जो क्वेश्चन आया है वो ये आया है, हेलो सर, आई वुड लाइक टू परस्यू एलएलबी अलोंग विद माय जॉब इन चंडीगढ़. What would be the best option for me and which university would you recommend?
If you want to pursue and you want to make your career in the corporate legal world, that LLB is really good combination. And as a company secretary, you can have that command for the corporate laws, for the SEBI laws, for the competition law, जो हमारे किसी भी एक नॉर्मल यूनिवर्सिटी का जो करिकुलम है एज अ एडवोकेट वो नहीं मिलेगा आपको. एज अ लॉयर यू वोंट गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड द करिकुलम विच सपोर्ट योर जर्नी फॉर अ कॉर्पोरेट, आई वुड से कॉर्पोरेट लॉ जर्नी. आप बड़ी बड़ी लॉ फॉर्म्स देखते हो, वो खेतान है, अमरचंद है, मंगलदास है, बिग फोर, आप पीडब्ल्यूसी, ईवाई जिनकी बात करो, वी रेगुलरली वर्क विद देम. तो आप एक थोड़ा सा वो रखें कि आपको ना पहले से ही देखना पड़ेगा कि यू वांट टू गो इनटू विच साइड ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट लीगल वर्ल्ड. You want to be a litigation guy or you want to be a consultancy guy. You have to choose very carefully. After like 12 years of my experience, I realized कि आपको ना थोड़ा सा अपने आप को वो करना पड़ता है कि यार आप litigation में जाना चाहते हो, then you should more focus on your court craft, your आपका जो skills है, appearance skills before the court and any of the tribunal. And in Chandigarh, you will get exposure because we have the NCLT here. We have the High Court here, and we have the legal luminaries around in Chandigarh. So the training, your internship would not be a problem. Punjab University, I would say, is the best if you want to get. Then आप आर्मी लॉ स्कूल से कर सकते हो. एंड अगर आप CS परस्यू कर रहे हो अभी तो आप किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से एडमिशन ले लो, आप एग्जाम लॉयर वाले क्वालिफाई कर लोगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट हाँ, आप अपना करियर देखते हो एज अ लॉयर, देन यू हैव टू हैव अ फोकस कि यार आप कौन सी साइड में जाना चाहते हो. और बाकी तो फिर आप ट्रेनिंग भी करोगे CS की, बाकी चीजें भी करोगे. तो आई थिंक क्योंकि LLB इज अ रेगुलर कोर्स, कोर्सपोंडेंस नहीं है.
Sir, next question है, after qualifying, what would you suggest as next step for someone who is not getting enough satisfaction? Earlier, my main focus was clearing the exam, so I was always occupied with studies and training, but now I feel a bit directionless regarding long-term career growth. Apart from CA, what option or career path would you recommend exploring? ये सर फ्रेशर क्वालिफाइड CS है और इनकी एज बहुत कम है, तो इसीलिए ये अभी
Anil ji would be better person to answer.
Okay, a very cliche question, but I would like to take a chance to answer this. देखिए पता है क्या होता है, I think जब आप CS चुनते हो और जब आप papers दे रहे हो तो your direction is very clear that either you would want to practice or either you would want to work in a company. Having said that, if at all you're designing to start your own practice, start developing that, start developing contacts with people around, start developing contacts with seniors, that's one thing. Primarily from the perspective, if at all you're looking out for a job, you have to have that acumen and you have to have that capability of joining under a senior company secretary to actually learn and understand the processes within an organization. Matlab direction. But you know, when you get into a track, when you want to get into a track, basically, you will have to undergo certain things wherein you realize the fact that this is the one which I deliberately chose off and I want to work on. So just make your mental setup accordingly. If at all you feel like that after getting membership, you don't want to get into the CS world, get into law, maybe legal world is something wherein you can actually pitch in. The qualities which I spoke of are very, very relevant and very, very peculiar and very, very critical. Start working and developing your aptitude in that. धीरे धीरे करके when you start realizing the fact that you are actually making yourself a breast for the organization, you can work on it. With respect to learning, मतलब आप ये कह रहे हो कि मतलब आपकी learning थोड़ी stop हो गई है क्योंकि आप occupied रहते थे exams के साथ में. तो देखिए मतलब आप ना एक बार सेबी की वेबसाइट पे चले जाइएगा, आपको हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया सर्कुलर मिलेगा पढ़ने के लिए. सर्कुलर मिलेगा, नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा. एमसी के वेबसाइट पे चले जाइए, वहां पे कोई ना कोई नया सर्कुलर मिल जाएगा. इफ यू हैव दैट एप्टीट्यूड ऑफ लर्निंग एंड keeping abreast yourself with new things, new happenings, new proceedings that are happening in the world, start making yourself available into various websites wherein you can start learning something new about what is happening in the corporate world. That's the other aspect. Having said that, if at all you're not at all liking the CS culture or liking the CS world, then obviously I would suggest you get into the academic world wherein you can start taking that influx of, you know, mentoring children like others, telling them as to how to make a mark in the coming world.